Good morning, students. So we shall study Tier 3, Unit C, that is the adjectives. So you all have done in your previous class also what are adjectives. So we shall revise that adjectives are used to describe, they are those words which are used to describe, identify, modify or qualify nouns or pronouns. So in general we can say adjectives are describing words of nouns or pronouns, right? So it's clear what are adjectives, right? Now further you have got degrees of adjectives. In your unit C you have got degrees of adjectives. So you all know that adjectives are describing words. There are different types of adjectives also, like qualitative, quantitative, numerical, possessive, interrogative, emphasizing, demonstrative. They are all types of adjectives. We will understand it further with examples. But here, after this topic, we have got degrees of adjectives. Now let us understand what are degrees of adjectives. Now in adjectives, there are 3 degrees of adjectives. First one is positive degree, the second is comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. Now one by one let us understand what is the first degree, positive degree. Now in the positive degree, this is the first form of adjective and this is the first form, and we put adjective as it is. Like some of the adjectives we can take tall, smart, beautiful, handsome. So we put it in the first form only. We will use it as tall, smart, fair, handsome, short, as such only. So that is the first form and that is the pure form of adjective, that is a positive degree, right? Now second is comparative degree. Now when there is comparison between two, then it's called the comparative degree, and this degree is also marked by middle form. It is the middle form of the adjective, right? It's a middle form and it's comparison between two, and generally in words we add er to the adjective. Like suppose it's hard, so we'll add er, harder, right? Like fair, fairer, er, okay? So we add smart, smarter. So that is the comparison between two, okay? So that's called the comparative degree. The third is the superlative degree. Now this is the highest form of adjectives, and generally it is a comparison between many people, right? Between more than two. So it's the highest form of adjective, and generally words, adjectives are added with est. With est. We add est to the adjective. When est is added to the word, you can understand that it is in the superlative degree. That's the highest form, right? Like we have got hard, harder, hardest, est, okay? So these are the 3 degrees of adjectives. Now we will be understanding with few examples about positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So there are the 3 forms, so we will be understanding it further. Now we will understand the degrees, the 3 degrees which we have discussed, the positive, comparative and the superlative with an example, right? Now we are taking the example. First, Tina is a smart girl. Now where is the adjective over here? Where is the noun here? Noun is girl, right? Of course Tina is also noun. So adjective over here is smart, right? This is the adjective. I told you that when adjective is in the pure form or the first form, then it is called the positive. So what is the degree over here? Degree is positive. This is the first form and there is no comparison, so it is in the positive degree. Tina is a smart girl. Smart is the adjective here. It is in the first form and it's a positive degree. Now in the second example, you see Tina is smarter than Harsh. Tina is smarter than Harsh. Now where is the adjective here? Yes, it is smarter. Smarter is the adjective. And I told you in comparative degree we add er to the adjective. So this is what, when there is comparison between two, between Tina and Harsh, both are nouns. So there is comparison between the two and ER is added. So which degree is it? Yes, good. It is comparative. It is comparative degree. Right? Then third example. Tina is smartest girl in the class. Tina is smartest girl in the class. Now where is the adjective here? Smartest. Yes. Now which degree is it? Because we have added EST, smartest. I told you in the last degree there is what? EST is added. So this is which degree? This is the superlative degree. Superlative degree. So they are the three forms I told you of adjectives: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. In positive form, positive degree, the adjective smart is in the pure first form, right? In the comparative degree, it's comparison between two, between Tina and Harsh, and ER is added. So it's in the comparative degree, right? Then Tina is smartest, EST is added, and this EST is, it identifies superlative degree. So I hope with an example, positive, comparative and superlative degree is clear to you all. Now we will be understanding the positive, comparative and superlative degree with few more examples. Now we shall understand the degrees of adjectives with few more examples. Like in the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Few examples we have considered. There are many words which I will be sending you. You can go through it. But few we are discussing here as examples of degrees of adjectives, right? The first one is good. The word adjective is good. Now this is the positive degree. It's as it is. The comparative degree is better and the superlative degree is best. Right? Good, better, best. Then second example is gentle. In the positive degree it is as it is. ER is added to the comparative degree gentler, and to the superlative EST is added gentlest. This is the second example. Then third example is able. Right? This is the word. In the comparative degree it will be abler, and the superlative it will be ablest. Right? Able, abler and ablest. That is the positive, comparative and superlative degree. Then fourth example we are taking far. Right? Its comparative form is by adding ER, it's farther, and its superlative degree is by adding EST, it's farthest. Right? Next example is little. Comparative degree is least and superlative degree is least. The comparative is least and the superlative is least. Right? Then next example is strange. We are adding ER, comparative degree is stranger, and in the superlative degree it's strangest, EST. Right? Next word is dry. Its comparative degree is drier and its superlative degree is driest. Right? Then last example is the word few. We are adding ER, it's in the comparative degree fewer, and in the superlative degree it's the EST, fewest. So students, these are few examples we have taken to understand the degrees, the different three degrees of adjectives. The three degrees are positive, comparative and superlative. So I hope you have understood the concept of degrees of adjectives, and in your mind you have clear concept of what are adjectives, the different types of adjectives, and what we are proceeding in this unit is the degrees of adjectives. So the three degrees are positive, comparative and superlative degrees. Positive degree, I'll again repeat, is in the pure form, in the first form when there is no comparison. Comparative degree when there is comparison between two, and in most of the words ER is added. Of course, there are exceptional cases, but in most of the cases, ER is added. Otherwise, more and most is also added, right? And superlative is the highest form of comparison, and generally EST is added, right? So I hope you understand these degrees.